Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lachu here. I hope you all are staying at home and staying safe. And for this quarantine, I'm gonna share my routine of how to brighten your food, and if it is tan or if it is full of not clear skin and all, you can follow this routine at home easily. And for this quarantine, you can spend your time much on pampering your skin and body. And this is the food before the process, all the process and before starting the process, I'm gonna clean off my nail polish with the nail polish remover. You can do as you want, and this is because you wanna get clean nails as always. So I'm taking off my nail polish like so, and after that you're gonna soak your foot in I don't say it warm water, but not too hot water. You have to soak your foot in that water with some ingredients added to that. Those are one full lemon, which I'm squeezing right into that water, and that water should be little more than warm water, but you can soak your foot. It should be comfortable. Okay, if you know what I mean, I hope so. And after adding lemon, and the next ingredient is salt, which also that does the pretty much same job. And after that you can add any shampoo of that much quantity. I'm just adding a sachet of my shampoo. You can use it, you can use any shampoo, and mix that until it melts into the water, and just after that directly you can soak your food like so. And keep in mind that your foot should, and soak your foot, play with it, scrub it with the two. I'm playing with my lemon and you can do it. So please, after soaking for 10 to 15 minutes, I'll take that lemon half and I'll start rubbing it against my foot in order to take the dust off. And you know, lemon works in brightening your skin, and this also helps in brightening your foot skin too. And this is how I do in that 15-20 minutes. And after 15-20 minutes, you're gonna take this food brush, which has the four sides of it, and you can take the stone side and rub your heel. And this is I do because I don't want to get that crack heel, so I do this always. If your skin is dry in that area, not only in heel before and in the toe part also, you can do it. If your skin is getting like to be a that somewhat of that skin, or you're feeling it dry hard, and you can do this after completely soaking your foot for 20 minutes. Otherwise you will get a burning sensation and it can turn. This Pond's one, I'm gonna list that in the company was from Pond's. I'm gonna that much take that much amount and first apply it all over the foot, not completely to. After this, to get a much more impact, I'm using that bristle side of this foot scrubber, I think so, and I just started to scrub it with that bristle side. It is softer for the top skin, you know, I think all the people know it. And after scrubbing it, you can dip your foot into the water and just wash it with the same process. And the other side as usual, same as the before one. And this is the after wash of my foot. After that process, I just washed with a clean water, and I'm drying this. I'm drying my foot like this, and this is the after look. And after this, I'm gonna paint my nails. As you all girls will love painting your nails, and I just can't live without painting the nails. Always I keep on a new fresh paint on. And here I'm doing the nails with a dark green color. And this is a little tip like thing. If you paint your any nails, hand or foot with a darker color, your skin looks bright. This is a little tip that I have, and for these Indian skin tones you love to do it. Just give it a go, just try it and comment below if it worked for you. Just do paint a dark color and just see that it brightens your skin. And this is the after the painting and the nail polish was completely dried. I used this Vaseline for the moisturizer and applied all over the foot. And if you're wondering, this is the nail polish I have used for that foot. And as you can see, it is a much more lighter one, it appeared to be. And after it was completely dried, I will give a second coat to get that same color from the bottle. And now I'm adding the anklets. For our Indians, we just love it. And not only for Indians, all who gonna try these, they'll get to know that beautifulness of the anklets. You can see it after adding them. My food was completely different and it was so amazing and beautifully turned out. And this is after the complete look. I hope you all love it and like it. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Nacho Beauty. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Love you.